Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. Today's topic might just change the way you think about your manicures. We're diving into the world of DIY gel manicures and the potential risks they pose to your health. Gel manicures have become incredibly popular in recent years. They promise long-lasting, chip-free nails that look flawless for weeks. But did you know that the convenience of at-home gel kits might come at a cost to your health? Let's explore. Many of us love the convenience of doing our nails at home. With DIY gel manicure kits widely available, it's tempting to skip the salon and save some money. But what you might not realize is that the chemicals in these products can be harmful if not used properly. One of the main concerns with DIY gel manicures is the exposure to UV light. Most gel polishes require curing under UV or LED lamps to set properly. While the exposure time might seem minimal, repeated use over time can increase the risk of skin damage and even skin cancer. The UV light emitted during the curing process is similar to that of tanning beds, and we all know the dangers associated with those. Prolonged exposure can lead to premature aging, dark spots, and in severe cases, skin cancer. But UV exposure isn't the only concern. Many gel polishes contain chemicals like formaldehyde, toluene, and dibutyl phthalate, DBP, which have been linked to various health issues, including allergic reactions, respiratory problems, and hormonal disruptions. These chemicals can be absorbed through the nails and skin, especially if you're not using proper ventilation or protective gear during the application process. So, what can you do to protect yourself while still enjoying beautiful nails? First and foremost, consider limiting your exposure to gel manicures, especially DIY ones. If you do opt for gel polish, try to minimize the use of UV lamps by using LED curable formulas or applying sunscreen to your hands before curing. Additionally, make sure you're working in a well-ventilated area and wearing gloves or finger protectors to minimize skin contact with the chemicals. Remember, your health should always come first, even when it comes to beauty routines. Stay informed, stay safe, and keep rocking those fabulous nails, whether they're gel or not.